This is insane. I don't even know what to say.
First 5 minutes.
Back and we'll,
I gotta back up. That is it. Not our biggest buffalo, but it's still a nice size one. We have left until we use some different ones.
get some pictures and get. All right, guys. Today we're back at the dam with Cam. Not funny. Today we saw some big pikes. We got some daredevils tied up. We're just gonna see what we can catch. We know there's a lot of different species in here, so really whatever bites is what we're gonna go for. Left the GoPro at home, so we're filming with the big camera today. No underwater footage, but that's okay. We'll see you guys down at the dam. Oh, yeah, I got him.
So guys, we're hooked up to two carp.
Double.
Two carp. We're going for pike.
And I got a buffalo, baby. Let's go.
Okay, Truman's hooked up.
I got a big one.
Truman's got a big common. Oh, the first 5 minutes. Dude, okay, so the buffalo ate it, and this common ate it. Okay, we're...
First carp.
Oh, there it is. These are both their first carp.
Truman's got a giant here.
Gosh, no.
Get him in.
I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it.
I'm gonna let this common breathe a little, or this buffalo breathe a little bit.
All right.
That's a massive one.
There he is.
Here, go sideways. Okay, we'll stop the video and get back to you with a double picture or video.
There he is. So guys, here's the double up.
The double.
There's a common with Truman.
Yeah, its eye got a little roughed up. I think it may have hit a rock in on the fight or something. And here's the buffalo. This guy just hammered it. I was reeling it in because he was hooked up, and he just, all of a sudden I felt mine. I thought I had his line or something, but sure enough, a nice buffalo. This is insane. I don't even know what to say. Let's
First
get
5
these guys
minutes.
back, and we'll,
Yeah, let's get a double release.
Can I get a picture
double
first? With just
Yeah.
me?
All right, we're gonna give you a
biggest
picture of buffalo that he's seen in this little creek, and it is a tank of a buffalo.
I'll get the net.
I just didn't go get the net right here. I snapped off on my thing on a rock, we think it was. Oh my gosh, Isaac just absolutely soaked me.
Oh my god!
That's the biggest buffalo I've ever seen.
This is an absolute
And they have
tank.
Cam just caught an absolute tank of a buffalo.
Oh my gosh. You guys saw how big mine was? That's probably average size for this, right?
He just popped off.
And, oh my. Let me get him out of here for you, Cam.
Yeah, I got him.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, boys.
This is the biggest buffalo I've seen.
Oh my god.
How is there this big of a
It
fish?
might be 20 pounds.
That is probably about as big as my common.
No, bigger. Literally bigger.
Dude.
All right, we're gonna get
Cam, you know what I've observed? My
Cam. Show him to me.
I know, I'm just trying to wait for... Okay.
Oh, I gotta back up. That is an absolute.
My buffalo, Cam, ate the exact same. Exact same. Bro! That's probably close to 15 pounds, wouldn't you say?
Can you weigh him?
Yeah, I think we have the scale.
Yep. Do you want to go? It's in my...
It only goes up to 8, but as you can see,
We have
that
a
is
small scale here, and
dead bottom of
it goes
8.
up to 8. But that's
That's not even close to 8. If I had to
more than
estimate, that's probably 15, 20 pounds easily.
Yeah.
I thought I had another
All right.
That's okay.
Let's
Here.
get a
You
picture
wanna
with
grab
them, Cam. With you.
Here, I got him.
That's a small one, yeah.
He ate it.
You got him? Yeah.
No.
They really like the daredevil.
Oh my gosh, you got me so. You can stop. You can stop. Stop. No, you're okay.
Do you want me to get the net, Cam?
No, it's fine. Come here.
Third carp of the day.
Fourth.
Actually, no, fourth. What do we got? 3 buffaloes and 1 common. Yeah.
Here, no, go the other way. So
I'm gonna.
go there. Seriously, you crushed it.
Yeah, you ate that bad boy.
There we go.
There we goes. Not our biggest buffalo, but it's still a nice sized one.
Pretty fish.
Yep. All right, let's get him back.
Oh my gosh, you're a freak. Yeah. Yep, it's coming.
Oh, it's a common.
T, get the net. T, get the net.
I'm going.
Guys, Campbell's hooked up again on a big common, he thinks. Which would be epic. Just as he's reeling this in, because it could be a little bit, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into town for a little bit, watch a movie or whatever, and we are actually out of daredevils, so we're gonna grab some more daredevils, like 10 or 20 of them.
No.
No!
Oh, that was a big one.
And then we're gonna come back here and just absolutely rip them on the, rip any fish that will bite, so. Alright guys, we're at Mills Fleet Farm right now. We had to stock up on some
Daredevils.
daredevils.
I also got some more
So we're
line.
going back to the creek. We got
Some goods for
the essentials.
tonight.
By the way, sometime, we don't know how soon, but we're gonna camp out there, so stay posted for that video sometime in the future. And
So,
then
what we got is
daredevil.
I got 65-pound braid. Suffix.
Yep, and then we got some more daredevils too.
Daredevil.
Two of kind of the red colors.
Daredevils.
Right there.
Daredevil.
And then a green
tiger
one,
color,
tiger
kind of?
color, and then a yellow one. Yeah, so we got some shore lunch for our fish fry tonight,
Oh yeah, fish fry.
So
and
keep
some other
through
goods,
that.
some cookies and stuff like that.
Just the essentials, really.
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you guys at the creek.
Isaac's hooked up to a nice buffalo here.
He ate it.
Not a huge one, but also
Bigger
not
than
a.
my last one.
Yeah, it's bigger than his last one.
All right.
So guys, we really don't know what's going on here. We've all snapped off. I was just letting mine sit, and somehow it snapped off. We really don't know what's going on, but we each only have one more daredevil left until we use
carp.
some
We're
different
gonna get
ones.
some pictures, then get them released, but really a beautiful, beautiful buffalo carp here. Second of the day, came back, and it's a really good sign. We're seeing a lot of carp. As long as we can hold on to all the daredevils we still got left. We're gonna get some pictures, and we'll get back to you with the release. Get the net. Oh, guys, big buffalo. So just a quick fill-in. We've gone on like a half-hour drought here after my buffalo, but we have seen so many, and now Campbell's got a good one. Barely hooked. This one might have accidentally been snagged.
Let's get him to shore, huh? It's a nice fish. We want to catch some more commons. That's honestly the daredevil that I caught my big one on.
Yeah, we've seen so many commons, and Campbell, how close was I to catching that dogfish?
Pretty close.
And I've hooked into, I broke off on like 3 commons, and I've also just lost so many commons. But I really want to catch a common carp because they fight like crazy.
Right here. I guess I'll just.
Look at that beautiful, beautiful fish. Look at that. These guys kind of look like Asian carp. There it pops out. Oh, beautiful fish. Hold them up for us. Good buffalo carp. Let's get them back and get on this fish because there's a lot of them.
All right, Campbell has our second common of the day.
First one since we came back over.
Hopefully it's as big as mine, because that would be epic.
How much harder does this fight than a buffalo? It's smaller, but it's still really, really good. Yes. Can't horse them, as you can see right here. They'll make you pay if you horse them.
eat it.
Oh.
Nice, big. Jesus, it won't give up, bro. Oh my God.
I might have to get a little closer to this sucker.
Why was it going on screen?
I'm tracking him. I'm tracking him. Oh, he's going to shore. Where is he? Oh no! Barely. More of a blind swipe.
Ow!
Geez, these things are feisty. Bring him in. There we go. Oh, it's a really good common.
It's a nice common.
And we've been seeing these guys.
Nice common here. It's a nice common. Our second of the day. Great fish. We're gonna try to get some more of them. There's so many carp in here, but we want to try to get Isaac a common here. Show him how hard they fight. All right, let's get a release on this guy.
Oh my gosh. Where's he going? Had you on shore for 10 minutes?
Okay, he's here.
I need to switch to some bigger trebles. These fish are coming on top. They got soft mouth.
That's a big buffalo.
He ate it.
He did.
Where's the fire? Here, do you mind holding this up if you can?
And we'll get back to you. All right, this is Campbell's like 10th. That's one of his biggest buffalo. I'd say second biggest buffalo. So yeah, we caught a lot of buffaloes. Now we're mainly looking for some commons. But we'll still take the buffaloes.
Yeah.
All right. This is Cam's like 10th common. I mean, not common. What is it called again, Cam?
Buffalo.
Yeah, buffalo carp. This guy must have swiped at it. It's a nice little buffalo. So yeah, guys, we're actually gonna go take a dip in the water and we're gonna get some of our daredevils back and then we'll get back to you. Alrighty.
No, take it. Or stop it.